Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on YouTube. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, I am really excited. We're getting closer to the end of the day, so if I sound a little bit hoarse, I apologize, but it has been a long day. But this arrived, and I had to make sure to share this with you. This is the second time that I have got this box. I signed up for this box last month when it was the Color Pop box, and this now is the November box. It is so exciting that at the beginning of the month, when you receive one of your subscription boxes, you know so much good is going to be happening this month. So if you're not familiar on my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to, and I take a picture for Instagram. And if you're not following me there, you are missing out. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. And I share so much with you guys here on YouTube, but I also share a lot of a few different things on Instagram. But I've also found out, because one of my followers on Instagram, who's also a subscriber here, has mentioned to me just a couple of days ago that she's not getting the notifications from YouTube. However, she does get notified by Instagram. So when I post on Instagram, she knows to come over here to look for my videos. So it works hand in hand for me, and I make sure to post on both when I am doing videos, but you'll also see pictures of products and things that don't have time for a video on Instagram. So I really hope that if you aren't following me on Instagram, that you do so. And again, my name there is True Wants with the number 2. All right. Really excited. So when I signed up for this box, which is called the American Influencer, this is I think $35 a month, and it includes the free shipping in the USA. Their boxes are really well done. They're hard. The way things are packaged inside, I'm very impressed with. It came no problem. Everything came intact, and I enjoy that. What I wanted to also share with you guys is, when I signed up for this box, my understanding was this box was one of those boxes like a takeover box. It was like a one brand box. And that's how I used to shop before the boxes. I used to love shopping on the shopping channels when they would have those daily deals that I told you about. And that's how I got introduced to so many products from IT Cosmetics, Tarte, a lot of the brands. So way before, you know, I had a channel or even knew of YouTube. So that was how I did a lot of my shopping when I wasn't shopping in department stores and you know, the Sephora world. So it introduced me at great, you know, bundle prices. So when I learned about this box, what I loved about it was that was what this box was all about. However, in the month of November, it is not like that at all, but it's only one box from my understanding that they do, and it's in the month of November, where they have a box that it is called Beauty Favorites. And that is what this is. So we're going to have a bunch of different brands that we're going to be talking about here. And then we'll find out a little more information, because they do have a fantastic laminated card with the pictures of the products on the back with the pricing and a little bit of information, which I think is fantastic. Also, when I opened this up, I saw that there were 2 palettes inside, and it's very unique because it's from a brand called, I think, BeautyCreations, which I'm not that familiar with, but it looks like it is a very affordable brand. And it looks like it was done by 2 girls. They must be twins, and their name is Murillo, or they might just be sisters or cousins. I don't know, but if you know about these girls, please share it in the comments down below so that we can learn more about them, because they did a fantastic job with BeautyCreations in reference to this product. So the first one that I'm going to open up is from the one that's called Brittany. And this is the gorgeous packaging of her on the outside. And it looks like she loves the bold colors. So that's what her palette is going to be all about. And then the other one is Briana, and that's the other one of the outside sleeve. And we're going to go through that one next. So let's open it up and see what they are all about and what the information is. Both of them look the same on the outside like this, but on the back they have their signature, so you know that this one is Brittany and the other one will say Briana. But both from the front they look like this, and I think this is stunning. And to be able to get this whole palette with this beautiful unicarton, as well as the amount of packaging here, for $17 retail, I think is fantastic. And then, like I said, these 2 palettes in this box, fantastic. So they literally pay for the box. So this one here is Brittany's palette. It says, who doesn't love a good colorful palette? They're saying she had to incorporate her signature purple and her blue shades, but of course she couldn't leave out a staple transition shade needed to create an infinite amount of looks. So that is what the outside looks like. There is a full mirror on the inside, so I'm just going to put her outer curtain here so I can show you how stunning these colors are. And that's what they look like here. So that is the first palette. The second palette is from Briana, which is this one here that we said. Again, I mentioned that the outside is the same, but her name is on the back here. And yeah, and then this one here, what they wrote about this one, it says it's safe to say that it made the perfect soft glam palette here to take you from daytime to nighttime and any Barbie look in between. So here we go, and that is what this looks like here. So there's enough of those neutral shades in this one with those pops of color that gives us more of that comfort zone for the girls that don't want to go too out of the box. But I think it's fantastic to have the opportunity to have both, because this time of year you start playing with deeper colors and more color. So I think that is fantastic that they put two palettes in here. The next one is one that I could not wait to get in this box, because they do share with you on Instagram prior to the month what the items are going to be in the box. They give a couple of sneak peeks and then they give a full confirmation. So this one is from Glow Recipe. And I had my eye on this product, not in this flavor. There was one in watermelon that was in a BoxyCharm box that a few of the girls I saw get it. And it really intrigued me. So for some reason, I didn't end up getting it in the add-ons, or I didn't see it in the add-ons. So for this one, I'm really, really excited to get my hands on it. So this one is from Glow Recipe. This comes in this beautiful outside container, as well as this beautiful packaging on the inside as well. So I cannot wait to share this one with you. So this one says it is called the Blueberry Lip Pop. It is a 3-in-1 scrub to balm that smooths and hydrates and tints your lips with a universal pop of color. And this, they're saying, is a $22 value on its own. It has a pull off when you kick it off. It has a flat surface to take it. And then when you put it on your skin, it has a bit of a pinky tinge to it. And the scent is just a very, very sweet scent. I do not smell like blueberries or watermelon or anything like that. It's just it's a very pleasant scent, but it's more of a sweeter scent to it. So really excited to have the opportunity to play with that. And I didn't feel any scrubbies. It felt very much like a balm. The next one is also one that is really intriguing to me, because I use this brand all the time, but I've never seen this product before. This one is a scrunchie. It's a 2-piece Invisibobble. It is in true black and Prima Ballerina. It says hidden underneath the luxurious fabric, this Invisibobble scrunchie contains a classic original, therefore providing the benefits that come with all of the classic hair ring, holding all the strands together thanks to the spiral shape. So when I opened it up just to pull out one of them, it has more like a velvet, which is perfect for this time of year. But when you touch it and you feel it, you can feel inside, and I wish I brought the one that I always wear, it stretches out almost like one of those old-fashioned telephone cords. That's what you feel underneath here. So it will definitely hold everything in place and won't slide out like some of those silky scrunchies do. So I'm really excited that what they did was they took their Invisibobble, the actual product, and then just put a fabric over it, which I think these two colors are so perfect for this time of year. And it's in, like I said, that velvety type of fabric. So really excited about that. And it has the name Invisibobble as a tag on here. So those two are in here as well. So to me, that is a new product that I never even saw before. So really excited about that. The next one here are a pair of eyelashes. And this is from the brand called Ardell. And for a lot of the girls that wear eyelashes that I watch, they always talk about this brand. So this one is $5 for this pair. Oh, and this Invisibobble, if I didn't mention, is a $10 value. And this one says this is Ardell Professional Flawless Tapered Luxe Lashes in number 804. It says featuring highly textured tapered ends and an overall bold, voluminous look throughout. So that is the next item that's in here. The next item in here, and this you'll have to share with me because like I mentioned, this is only my second box. I do not know a lot about this box and this brand, but this is a brand that is under their name. So this is called the A1a Eyeliner. It says, no glam beats complete without a cat eye. This is a quick drawing smudge-proof AIA eyeliner that features a short felt tip that glides on smoothly to give the artist complete control and with the utmost precision. And they're saying this is a $17 value. So please share with me in the comments down below if they have a whole line of cosmetics, or is this their first item that they're coming out with? I would love you guys to share with me in the comments down below. So that is the next item there. And then the next item that was in the box is one that I'm very familiar with. And this is a brand that is so great for so many people, be it if you have skin issues or not. What's nice is that the people who have skin issues have a brand that they could rely on. And then for everybody else, this is just a fantastic brand. This one is called First Aid Beauty. It is the Ultra Repair Cream. They're saying it is a fast-absorbing, rich moisturizer that provides instant and long-term hydration for dry, distressed skin. If you have eczema, this is great also. And for them to be able to say that, that is unbelievable. It says it's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive, and then again, the whole family. This is a full container of this. I already own this product and love this product. I also have it in some sample sizes. When I get the opportunity to grab those, I take those because these are also fantastic to travel with. But like I said, this is just a fantastic, fantastic cream. They're usually no scent in any of their products. And they also have marked on the back of this here, it says, we are committing $1 million to pay off student debt, plus an additional 10% off any retail products off this limited edition product. And they're saying it features no parabens, harsh chemicals, or colorants. And it says it also has, with the help of, so I'm going to pronounce this incorrectly, colloidal, I think is how you pronounce it. It's an oatmeal, and ceramides, and it has a soothing fab-free ultra repair cream that provides immediate relief and visible improvement for dry or de-stressed skin. It is a calming formula that may be used on your face and elsewhere. And it's also dermatology tested, this brand. And like it says, there's usually no artificial fragrances or anything with their brand. So really, really excited that a lot of people are going to have an opportunity to try something from this First Aid Beauty, because it really is a great brand. And that's everything that we received in our box. So this is for the month of November of 2021. Can you believe we're already almost at the end of our year? This is from the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. I paid $35 for this box, and it was free freight in the USA, and it included all these fantastic products inside. So like I said, this is unique for them for the month of November. I heard rumors, and I mean rumors because I didn't see anything in print yet, but it was a lot of chatter that was going on that the next month, the month of December, they're talking MAC. So really excited. I missed out on a couple of boxes from them that were pharmacy and some other great brands. Simply, I wasn't at the right place of mind of what I wanted in a box. And now they changed it to be month to month. It used to be a bi-monthly, and I prefer month to month. So this month to month made me come on board last month with the ColourPop. And like I said, I really enjoyed that box. And I think this one will be a winner for so many too. All right. Take care, everybody. Please share in the comments down below if you also get this box, or if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products that we already spoke about. I would really appreciate that as well. Okay, take care, stay well, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.